Good day everyone. Today we'll be showing you examples of Filipino nationalism. Nationalism is not just by being a proud Filipino, but also our identity, culture, tradition, and language.
Filipino nationalism is all about loving our country, being proud of our culture, and working together for the good of our nation.
The Filipino farmers. Sila ang ating magsasaka. Hindi lang sila nagtatanim. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit may laman ang ating mesa. Habang tayo'y kumakain, sila'y nasa ilalim ng araw, nagbubungkal ng lupa. Para sa lahat ng magsasaka, saludo kami. Kayo ang tunay na bayani ng bayan. Ito ang bayanihan. Kapag may bumagsak, may sasalo. Kapag may nawalan, may tutulong. Yan ang bayanihan. Walang iwanan, kahit anong laban. Tulong-tulong, sabay-sabay. Bayanihan, buhay na buhay. Walang CCTV, walang nakakakita, pero pinili pa rin ang tama. Dahil ang katapatan ay hindi kailangan ng audience. Maging tapat kahit walang palakpak, para sa bayan, para sa dangal. Ito ang Honesty Act. Ang pagmamano ay kailanman naging baduy. Actually, respect is always in passion. Respect never goes out of style. Ibalik ang pagmamano. Proper waste disposal. Maganda ang kuha ng ating mga larawan, pero mas maganda pa rin tingnan ang kalinisan ng ating kapaligiran. Tapon sa tama, disiplina yan. Walang basurang makabayan, tapon ng tama.
How to say thank you here in the Philippines?
Instead of saying thank you, here in the Philippines, you gotta say salamat po. And how to say good morning in the Philippines?
Good morning here in the Philippines is magandang araw po.
Learning our own language. Tagalog ka man or English ka man, basta't marunong kang magmahal sa sariling wika, panalo ka. Wika natin, pagkakakilanlan natin, Pilipino tayo, kaya't Pilipino rin ang puso't salita natin. At higit sa lahat, ay ipagmalaki natin ang sariling atin. Our Filipino fruits and street foods. Tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin. Pagkaing lansangan, hindi lang pagkain. Ito'y kwento ng kalye, kwento ng kabataan. Tara, samahan niyo ako at samahan niyo kami. Kumain tayo ng pagkaing Pinoy.
This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums, yeah. She shake it up and dance it like no more drama. You check the women, she's Philippines, throwing a that. The world is stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of BBC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas.
Filipino are religious. Religious beliefs and practices can play a significant role in building bonds among individuals and communities. Community building, shared beliefs and values. Religious communities often share common beliefs and values, which can create a sense of unity and belonging among members.
Niyang likas, piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Our national costume. Hindi lang ito pangsabayang pagbigkas. Ang barong at barot saya, kwento ng ating lahi. Suot mo man o hindi, bitbit mo ang ating lahi.
In the Philippines, nationalism can be shown through acting like respecting the flag, nation anthem, supporting local product, preserving Filipino culture, promoting peaceful community, and actively participating in the election.
Filipino nationalism refers to the establishments and support of a political identity associated with the modern nation-state of the Philippines, leading to a wide-ranging campaign for political, social, and economic freedom in the Philippines. That's all. Mabuhay, Madayaw, Pilipinas.